So on today's video, I'm talking about my daily activity on the farm. There are some things that if I come to the farm, I will do them before I start doing other things. Like this is like basically when I come to the farm, these are the things I do. So the first thing I do is I usually go around to check how the pigs are doing. So I want you guys to join me so we can go around and check how all the pigs are doing. So the first thing you should do when you come to your farm is to check how your animals are doing. Now there are many reasons why you should do this. Number one is to easily spot the ones that are sick. Because like it or not, your workers will not care for your animals more than you as the farm owner. Because don't forget, these are your investments, these are your money. So the first thing you should do is to inspect your animals and know if all of them are in good condition. Now, when I go to each pen, I spend about 2 minutes or even 1 minute, depending on your own level of experience. But for someone like me who has been doing these things for years, who can easily spot a pig that is not sick or a pig that is sick or a pig that is not how it's supposed to be, I can easily spot it under 30 seconds or less than that. When I just come to the pen, immediately, subconsciously, I already know the one that is sick and the one that is healthy. So this is like the major reason why you should always inspect your pigs. Now the next reason why you should inspect them is to know the quantity of feed that is being given to them. Sometimes you can be where you are and you call your workers on the phone, have you fed these pigs? And they'll tell you yes. Now, but when you come to the farm unannounced or just come daily, you are able to know the quantity of feed that is being given to your animals. Then another reason also is to check if there is always water in their pen, because water is essential for your pigs to be able to grow well and grow how they are meant to grow. It's very, very important, water. So this is what I basically do when I come to the farm. I just walk around and check all the pens and keep checking all the pens to know if they are actually healthy or if they need medical attention. So this is basically how I do it daily on the farm.